Okay, guys, let's take a look at reviewing our one-step and two-step inequalities that we are going over today. So if I look at this first piece that I have over here, to be able to get a by itself, I'm going to have to get rid of that positive 14. So I'm going to start by subtracting 14. So this will cancel. I'll be left with just a. On the other side, I'm going to be left with 8. And that's going to be my final answer. Okay, if I go over to this one, we're going to see a little bit of that special case that we talked about today. To get rid of this, I'm going to have to get rid of the negative 2. So I'm going to divide both sides by negative 2. Now, we said in class, as soon as you do that, you need to remember that you need to flip your inequality. So it goes from being this less than and equal to being greater than or equal to. The 2's and the negatives cancel. I'd be left with x. And 22 divided by 2 would be negative 11. Okay, now remember, this flip is when you multiply or divide by a negative number. Only time you have to worry about it. Okay, let's take a look at the ones below. So to get this one kind of dealt with, we're going to have to get rid of this adding 6 first. So I'm going to subtract 6 from both sides. So these cancel. I have negative 3x. 36 subtracting 6 away would be 30. Now, I'm going to have to get rid of this negative 3 here, so I'm going to divide both sides by negative 3. Now that means I need to think about the fact that I'm going to have to flip my sign. So it goes from being greater than to being less than. The negative and the 3 will cancel on this side. You'll be left with x. 30 divided by negative 3 is negative 10. And that's going to be my final answer. Okay, on the last one that we have over here, I'm going to start by subtracting 24. $12x. And if I take 48 and subtract 24, I'm going to be left with 24. Then I'm getting rid of this 12 by dividing both sides by 12. And I'll be left with x is less than or equal to 2. Okay, study over your foldables, and this will be your plickers for tomorrow.